Ready to take your drone piloting skills to the next level and earn some serious cash with Toptal? First, head over to the Toptal website and find the drone pilot application page. It's easy to spot with a call to action button. Step 1. Brush up on your piloting abilities. Toptal seeks experienced drone pilots, so start with the basics. Excellent piloting skills are essential. Know your drone, the laws, and how to fly safely and efficiently. Step 2. Demonstrate expertise. Create or update your portfolio with eye-catching drone footage showcasing various skills and your piloting capabilities, from simple flights to elaborate operations. Step 3. Get certified if you have licenses or certifications. This strengthens your application. Many jurisdictions require pilots to have specific certifications, so make sure you meet those requirements. Step 4. Application form. Fill out the Toptal application, highlighting your experience, the skills you've developed, your flight hours, and the types of projects you've done. Be as detailed as possible. They will appreciate your efforts. Step 5. Show off for the application process. Show your enthusiasm, skills, and portfolio through your video presentation. Remember to tailor your application to fit the different project criteria. Step 6. Success. By focusing on these key areas, you'll increase your chances of getting accepted. Good luck with your Toptal application. Get ready to soar.